The police are stating that they have not made a breakthrough in the guest house operators taking out, and the police are appealing to members of the public that can help. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The police have stated that they have not established a motive or identified any suspect in connection with last week's taking out of a guest house operator in the tourist resort area of St. Anne. Patrick Lawrence, a 76-year-old businessman from Top Road in St. Anne's Bay, was found dead at his establishment. Lawrence lived at the premises. The police have stated that despite an intensive probe, they have not yet able to make any breakthrough. The police said that the investigation are however continuing. It is reported that Lawrence was last seen around 10 p.m. and at about 6:30 p.m. the next morning as a customer went to rent a room at the guest house. The customer called the businessman on his cell phone several times, all of which went unanswered. The police were called, and during a search of the premises, the now deceased man was found in the yard lying on his back with a wound to the head. He was taken to hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. Links 007 TV News will continue to track this story and provide you with more information to come on this. Thanks for watching.